Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I have a super exciting haul, and this is a bag full of gifts that my parents have got from Umrah. They just come back from Umrah yesterday, alhamdulillah, and they bought us a lot of gifts. So I just wanted to quickly share everything that they got for me, my husband and my daughter. First up, they got this beautiful oud for my husband. I love the packaging. It looks so beautiful, so luxurious, black on gold detailing, and just look at the bottle, it looks extremely expensive. I love the packaging of Ouds, and this feels really heavy. It actually feels extremely heavy, and it's 100 mils. Let me just quickly smell it as well. Yeah, I love it. I love the smell of oud. I have a huge collection of oud. I love the detailing of this. I feel like you just display this box, it looks so nice. It looks like a work of art. And next up, of course, my parents got me an oud as well, and this is in Amirat Al Arab, and I love ouds. I have a huge collection, so this one will be perfect. I haven't got the chance to smell it. I just opened it yesterday. I got so excited and I forgot to open. I was like, no, let me leave it for this video as a first impression. So let's look at the bottle. It is beautiful. The packaging is a very nice velvet packaging with the gold details, and this is also 100 ml. It smells so nice, very sweet and light. Yes, I actually like strong oud smell, but this one smells really nice and light, which is great because my daughter, she doesn't like the smell of ouds, and also when I wear ouds she gets very allergic to it. Her skin starts reacting to it. Next, my parents got my daughter this really cute instant hijab. My daughter is only 4 months old, guys, but this looks so cute on her. We tried it, but obviously it's really big. But how cute is this? Has nice frills going around it. I also got a tasbih and I love it. So yesterday my parents were unpacking everything, and my husband received a tube as well, and I think he tried it on and left it in the wardrobe. So that's also another thing that he got. And he got a whole pack of dates which are in our kitchen, which is perfect for him because he loves eating dates, and Ramadan is coming, so that will last him the whole Ramadan. I'm not a fan of dates, unfortunately, so he will be enjoying those by himself. I also got this mini oud as well, which is so cute. I think it'll be perfect for traveling, to keep in my bag. And it's one of those roll-on ones. It doesn't have any fragrance name, but look at this packaging, so cute. I actually love using these, so you could just place it in wherever you want and you're not spraying it around, because some people don't like when you're in public spraying perfumes everywhere. So this one is very good for that. Next are two very expensive gifts, and I was surprised when my parents took these out. It is a Kaaba pendant for my daughter. So hopefully she will be wearing this when she grows a little bit older. But the cutest thing is they got me matching ones. So this is my one, and this is my daughter's one. My one, and this is my daughter's one. So we got matching Kaaba pendant in gold. How cute is that? Now, I don't wear abayas, but this Ramadan I did decide that I will start wearing abayas. Hopefully it will be the first time that I do wear abaya. So my mum got me 2 abayas. I won't be doing a try on in this video, but I will leave the link to my TikTok where I will be doing a try on, inshallah. So if you do want to see me trying on these abayas, do go on to my TikTok. So first up we have this black abaya. I love this abaya because of how simple it is. I don't like to OTT abayas, especially for every day. So this one is really nice. You can also wear it in any occasion. It is a black abaya and it has the gold detailing. It's like sequin detailing going all the way down. And it's also zipped up. So I like these sort of ones. They have a zip, so it just makes it easier, so you can use it as an open abaya as well, and also as a closed abaya. So my mum was saying how Saudi have amazing abayas and it's super affordable compared to London. So she also got me this abaya, which is a nice sort of mink colour. And it just has this detail. go all the way down. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah. So I feel like these will be very convenient in Ramadan. It's very simple. I could wear it for any iftar invitations, inshallah. I've also actually bought a lot of abayas from TikTok shop. They have so many abayas, and I really wanted to wear abaya during Ramadan this year. So if you are interested to see which abayas I bought, make sure you have already subscribed to this channel, and also my TikTok. Make sure you go and follow, because I will be doing all those try-ons on my TikTok as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and that's it for all the gifts that I've received. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.